Good morning, children. Welcome to Surya Vidyaniketan online classes. This is our English class. Our English teacher, Kama madam. You know that in previous class we complete the two lessons. Today, in third lesson, we are to learn the third lesson. What is the lesson name? Lesson name is title of the lesson is the park. In this lesson, they have some important characters is there. In the term book, you see that page number 30. The characters names is Rinku, Kuku, Tarun, Sanju, Naina, Shafi, Shahif, Pratik, Mr. and Mrs. Sundarlal, and Shahir Singh, the driver. These are the main characters in the lesson. See that what is the lesson? The children saw the some vacant place in Kirti Nagar. Vacant place means they have a empty place. The children want we clean this place, it will be become a good park. And these remaining children, Naina, Sanju, Sahi, Pratik, they go to the Kaku and in the picture see that Kaku and Rinkus near and around that they bring some tools, garden tools. They want to clean this place in Kirti Nagar. That words are the Rinku and Rinku Rinku and Kaku heard these words. Ask them, the children, are you mad? How it is possible? It is look like a jungle. We want a lot of energy to clean this bird, but children said that okay, we have a lot of energy. They are showing their muscles. Okay, this place is near to factory and one building. Factory side is there the place. It will be noise pollution is there, and the building is Mr. and Mrs. Sundarlal's building. He is very complicated person. He is not help to others. But the remaining children not heard the Rinkus and Kaku's words. They started to clean the place. On that time, they heard some noise is there, that is Jindabad, Jindabad. While they are working in the place, they make some noise, that is Jindabad and Jindabad. See that some children, while they are cleaning the park, some children on that area, some children come near to join the work, and they sing some slogans, and they bring some posters and banners. What are the posters? Stop the pollution, stop the pollution, stop the pollution. And the slogans are the we want green city and clean city. Green city and clean city. These are the main slogans in the banners. Next, they have trees and bushes is there in that place. Rinku and Kaku think that we want some swing for the kids to play it. On that time that some children come to near the Rinku and Kuku near. They donate some tires and some wood benches. They donate some tires and wood benches and potted the plants also. After few days, the park had changed. The park had changed. In the picture, second picture, see that in the park, one side is wooden bench and and some trees and bushes in the swings and wooden bench. And next they want to prepare to make a pond for fishes and ducks. In the page in the second picture you see that some plants is there, and ducks also is there, and some lotus plants also is there. Uh, after few days the Sundarlal saw that park. See some trees are cut down in the park. He observed the children what are doing in the vacant place. Totally the park will be ready, but the children want to keep a one name for the children, that is in front of the Sundarlal house. But the Tarun, Kuku and Rinku how to ask the Sundarlal to help our park. The Tarun, Kuku in the picture see that Tarun, Kuku, Sanju, they are sat in the bench and thinking how will we ask the Sundarlal to give the space to keep the tight board of a park. They are thinking on that time they heard the car noise in front of the park. In front of the park. See the picture 3. In front of the park, they heard the car noise. The children are stand up and near go to the Sundarlal. Sundarlal said that I will give the place to you to keep the name of the park. The children heard the Sundarlal's words. They become very, very happy to help the children. But the children said that the park name is Kamal Lal Children's Park. Kamal Lal Children's Park. The all members in the Kirtinagar, the Sundarlal, all people appreciate the children. Why? Because they prepare a new park for children's and old men, and the remaining members sat in the park. They enjoy the environment. The lesson is completed. Thank you, children. Next class we will be meet it. Thank you, children. Bunny. అయిపోయింది సార్.